One day, an ex-major was walking through a park when he suddenly saw a little cat stuck on a big tree. The poor animal was struggling to get out, so he climbed up the tree and tried to reach for the little cat, but the ex-major got his hand scratched. The cat seemed to fear him. He then pulled his hand screaming with pain, but he didn't stop. He tried to reach for the cat again and again. Another man was watching the scene and screamed with surprise, "For God's sake, stop trying to help this cat. He's going to get himself out of there." The ex-major didn't care about him. He just continued trying to save that animal until he finally succeeded. And then he walked to that man and said, "Sir, it is the cat instincts that makes him scratch and hurt me, trying to defend himself. But it is my job to share my love and protect. Treat everyone around you with your ethics, not with their. Treat the people the way you wanna be treated by them."